DLC Leader, Dave Alvarez, CTP Company Commander, Prince R. Bueno, CTP Company XO, Justin P. Mortel, First Platoon Leader, CTP DRM Boys, Razel B. Herpes, Second Platoon Leader, CTP DRM Girls, Angel Joy Paliega, School Principal, Wenceslao D. Santiago, CTP Mapay Facilitators, Mark John Francisco, G. Javier Tare Olieres, Rosamel Cubina, Majors Coordinators, Corina Lareza, Jerry Gisilva, Arami Girayola, Danessa Bata, BBC DLC Coordinator, Jeremy Poliero, Eric Boa, John Arales, G.P. Azala, DLC Trainer, Christian Adrian Bata, entry number 7, the Victoria High School, the Victoria Bula and Marine Street. Thank you very much. Entry number 7, La Victoria High School from La Victoria, Bula, Tamarang City. We'd also like to acknowledge the presence of the SBP Bicol President, Engineer Solomon C. Go. Category 1, CTP DRM Mixed Company, entry number 8, Papaya